28 degrees this morning, maybe a little colder. Here's my diesel heater. I filled it up with diesel yesterday at 4:30 and it's running real low. It's at the bottom. Got it on the high part of the low speed. My barrel is at 200 and about 15 degrees. Putting out about 80-degree air, picking up this cold air on the bottom of the floor. My point being, it only holds a little over a gallon of fuel. So for the past 16, 17 hours, it's kept the shop fairly warm. And let's see here. All the way across the room, 49.8 degrees. Not even in the airflow of that thing. So, hey, if you got a shop and you're trying to keep it warm, these little things are great. So I've spent about $3.25 for the fuel to run this thing. And I'll show you I had never got it off of centigrade, but 16 degrees centigrade, running on number 4, and it has a 1 out of 10 speed. I found running on anything below 4 can soot it up just a little bit, and the heat's not quite as good. Now, the heat coming out of here is probably in the neighborhood of 250, 300 degrees. Pretty good sized shop. 24 by 36 feet. And I do keep my elevator closed upstairs so that the hot air don't rise and go upstairs to the garage. And I just got some old curtains covering the stairwell. So, I know it's a mess, but it's cleaner than what it usually is. Just explaining to you how great these little diesel heaters are. So, $3.25 for 18 hours of heat, keeping your shop to where you can actually do something in it, not freeze to death. Pretty good, right? That's it. See you later.